Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Settings, open Focus, and tap Personal. Do it now. Once inside Personal, make sure Share Across Devices is enabled so changes sync. Then tap Focus Status to reveal the message field and choose Add a Custom Status. This first action creates the editable space where you will type your name. Do not skip Share Across Devices if you use multiple Apple devices, otherwise the name stays local to this iPhone. Next, prepare a short display name you will type into the Custom Status field. Now type your chosen name into the Custom Status text box. Short is better for visibility. Once done, use punctuation to separate elements if needed. For example, Alex, work. Make sure the name is clear because Focus shares that exact string. After typing, tap Done to save the status. If you want that name to show only when Personal is active, verify the Focus is enabled and not overridden by automation or schedules. Once saved, test by toggling Personal on and viewing the Focus indicator. Finish by activating Personal and confirming the name appears where Focus status is shown. Some apps respect it and some do not. If the name doesn't appear, first toggle Personal off and on, then reopen Focus status and resave the exact text. Also check that app permissions allow Focus status sharing. If syncing still fails across devices, restart the iPhone to force a sync. If necessary, disable and re-enable Share Across Devices. One key tip: avoid overly long names. Truncation can hide important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.